Hey everybody, I'm going to show you really quick this little Google slide make your own avatar project just in case you weren't there for class. So first thing you do is, go to the Google place. You're going to open up Google Slides. You could do it with a lot of different programs, and honestly, I would probably have you do it with a different one if we were using stuff at school. I'm going to start a blank presentation, basically just to get a blank thing. I'm actually going to click and delete everything. And first thing I'm going to do is insert a shape that's a circle, but it's called an oval because it can make circles that look like this. I don't want that. So insert shape circle. I'm going to start from the top left and then we'll hold down the shift button and that will keep it at a perfect circle. Perfect circle. Boom. If you hold down shift, S-H-I-F-T, shift. You can change the color, the fill color to whatever you want. I am going to make mine this color because that's cute. And if you want to add an image, you could do it now or you could do it later. So the main thing, the main piece that needs to be there is your name, the name you want to be referred to as. So even though my name is Golden Brown, which some of you discovered, I'm going to have you call me Mr. Brown, or you can, honestly, you could call me Brown if you want to. I don't really care. And that needs to be about the same size as the circle. So you could probably go all the way up to 42, 72, or even 96. If you want to go bigger than that, you actually can. You just have to type it in here, like 110. I'm going to use center align. I'm going fast, but that's okay. I'm going to do custom spacing to make this 0.75 so that it's a little bit tighter. So if you wanted to, you could stop there, but there is one other requirement, so you can't stop. And that's to try and add something here that tells us a little bit about yourself, something you like, something you care about. I'm going to show you a couple easy ways to do that. One is to just go here to insert image. And if you have it, like in your drive, you could use that. That's easy. I'm not going to show you how to do that. You know how to do that. You could take a picture of yourself, which I doubt any of you are going to do. Or you could upload from the computer, or you could search the web. So if you do search the web, it just launches this. Get out of there. And let's say you really like chihuahuas. You really like chihuahuas. So you could take this one and say insert. And it'll actually just drop the little doggy here, and you'd put him right there. You could be done. There's more you could do, but we still need to be able to read your name. And then you could make this as big as possible, I guess. La-da-dee, la-da-da. Try to keep it within the circle, and I'll show you why. The reason is because when it crops it, it cuts it to a circle anyways. That's a real basic one. So you're done. You would go to, you'd name it, Avatar, the Airbender. And then this is the key thing. You have to do File, Download as a JPEG. That's going to save it to your computer as a picture file. JPEG is like a picture file, like a pixel file. Then, when you come over here, that was the one I made, obviously. You say, select a photo from your computer, and if you have it there, where did it save it to? Pictures. I don't know where it saved it. On your computer, you have to find it, yada da 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 da. File download as JPEG. It's going to open it here. I'm going to save it to my desktop from here. Save as desktop. Save. Watch this. Now it's so much easier. I click on my icon. Click on the little camera. I say upload from your computer. And now it's right here. I say open. And then you want to crop it as big as you can. So, well, or as close to big, like probably to the edges of the circle, right? Yeah, set as profile pic. Gorgeous. That'll change in a second. It'll update this in just a second. And then you're good. Let's see if I reload. Oh yeah, see? Now that's my thing. Cool.